Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best bike saddle for men, pressure, improve posture, and enhance long-distance riding performance today. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. RYET Carbon Bike Saddle. The RYET Carbon Bike Saddle is designed for riders who prioritize ultralight performance and rigid efficiency on both road and mountain terrains. Built with a carbon fiber shell, it delivers a strong yet lightweight structure that enhances pedaling responsiveness while keeping overall bike weight minimal. Available in 2 size options, 245 by 143 mm and 250 by 138 mm, it allows riders to choose a fit that matches their riding posture and comfort preference. The saddle is engineered for unisex use and is suitable for demanding cycling conditions where stiffness and power transfer matter most. Its streamlined front seat mat design helps reduce unnecessary bulk, making it ideal for performance-focused cyclists. The saddle's customized construction ensures a precise riding experience, especially during long-distance rides or high-intensity training sessions. Despite its rigid carbon build, the shape is optimized to reduce pressure points and maintain riding stability. The minimalist design also contributes to better aerodynamics, which is beneficial for road cyclists aiming for speed efficiency. Number 2. Lexon K03 Bike Saddle. The Lexon K03 Bike Saddle is a high-end cycling component engineered for road, MTB, and gravel riders who demand a balance of comfort, durability, and performance. It features a full carbon base combined with oversized carbon rails, providing exceptional stiffness and structural integrity while keeping weight low. One of its standout features is the 3D printed honeycomb cushioning, which adapts to pressure distribution and improves comfort during long rides. The leaf spring technology integrated into its design enhances shock absorption, reducing road vibrations and fatigue over rough terrain. Its cutout ergonomic relief channel helps minimize pressure on sensitive areas, making it suitable for stretched and aggressive riding positions. With multiple size variations, riders can select a configuration that best fits their anatomy and riding style. The saddle is also designed with precise torque requirements to ensure safe installation, especially for carbon rail systems.
Number 3. ENLEE Nylon Bike Saddle. The ENLEE Nylon Bike Saddle is a versatile and lightweight option designed for road cyclists who want a blend of durability and simplicity. Built with a carbon shell structure and nylon-inspired design elements, it offers a balance between rigidity and comfort for everyday riding. Its compact dimensions of 29.5 by 15 by 15 centimeters make it suitable for a wide range of riders, providing a stable seating platform without unnecessary bulk. The saddle is classified for road bicycle use and supports unisex riders, making it a flexible choice for various cycling setups. One of its key strengths is its straightforward construction, which focuses on reliability rather than complex engineering features. This makes it easier to maintain and suitable for riders who prefer a no-fuss performance saddle. Despite its minimalist approach, the carbon-based shell helps maintain stiffness for efficient power transfer during pedaling. The design also helps reduce vibration impact, offering a smoother ride over paved roads. Number 4. GOLDIX Ultralight Bike Saddle. The GOLDIX Ultralight Bike Saddle is a modern 3D printed cycling saddle engineered for riders who demand both comfort and extreme weight reduction. Constructed with a carbon fiber shell, it maintains structural strength while achieving an impressively low weight of around 176 grams. Its 265 by 140 mm profile is designed to support a natural riding posture, making it suitable for both mountain and road cycling applications. One of its standout features is the advanced 3D printed cushioning layer, which distributes pressure evenly and reduces discomfort during long-distance rides. The saddle is specifically designed for unisex riders and focuses on ergonomic efficiency, ensuring reduced fatigue even on extended routes.
Its carbon construction requires proper installation using seat tube clamps designed for carbon materials, and it supports a maximum rider weight limit of 120 kilograms for safe performance. The streamlined shape enhances pedaling efficiency while also contributing to improved aerodynamics.
Number 5. BUCKLOS Ultralight Bike Saddle. The BUCKLOS Ultralight Bike Saddle is a performance-driven cycling saddle that integrates 3D printing technology with carbon fiber construction to deliver a lightweight and comfortable riding experience. It is available in multiple size configurations, including 240 by 155 mm and 245 by 143 mm, allowing riders to choose a fit that aligns with their riding posture. The saddle surface is made from TPU material combined with a carbon shell base, offering both flexibility and structural strength. Depending on the model, weights range from approximately 196 grams to 244 grams, making it a strong contender in the ultralight saddle category. The 3D printed cushioning structure is designed to absorb road vibrations effectively while evenly distributing pressure across the seating surface. This significantly improves comfort during long-distance rides and reduces fatigue in sensitive pressure zones. Its carbon fiber rails and shell enhance stiffness, ensuring efficient power transfer during pedaling. And that wraps up the top 5 best bike saddle for men. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.